everyone, my name is Magali and I'm Sales Director at Attitude. If you have sensitive skin or skin prone to irritations and are looking for a natural, baking soda-free alternative, you've come to the right place. Introducing our new plastic-free deodorants for sensitive skin. They're available in 4 versions: unscented, chamomile, argan oil, and avocado oil. Our deodorants are all EWG verified, which means they don't contain any concerning ingredients. They are biodegradable, hypoallergenic, and vegan. Plus, we never test our products on animal or use animal derivatives in our formula. They are enriched with soothing ingredients like coconut oil and shea butter to keep your skin protected and hydrated. Plus, they contain magnesium hydroxide to keep your underarms dry and protected from unpleasant smells while you go about your day. Push upwards on the bottom to release the product. Warm the product for a few seconds under your dry armpit and apply. What's great about our deodorant is that they're crafted for everyone. The fragrances are subtle and neutral enough to suit everyone. This product is part of our commitment to reduce the use of plastic. The packaging is made with an innovative biodegradable cardboard. With every product you purchase, we plant a tree as part of our initiatives to helping the environment for a more sustainable future together. We hope you enjoyed this video and that you get to try our deodorants out.